Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I did some flat twist and some two-strand twist on my daughter's hair. She is at that age where fortunately she can shampoo and blow dry her own hair, but unfortunately she's also at that age where she's worried about her hair all the time and is begging me to do her hair all the time. So I was a little happy that she decided to get a style like this, which will allow her to leave her hair alone for at least a week and a half because she does something to her hair every day. So I'm happy that she will not be manipulating it for at least a week and a half. So like I said, she washed and blow dried her own hair, but between the house and the salon, it poofed right back up. So today what I am going to do is, like I said, give her flat twist in the front and a two-strand twist in the back. Now her hair is on the thicker side, especially the root, so I am applying some of my Love and Health edge control right on the root just to give it a little bit of weight. And I'm also going to start the twist with a little braid. We have a pool at home and she's always jumping in the pool, so with the hair getting wet, it does loosen the twist. So I find that when I started with a braid and then switch over to a two-strand twist, it lasts a little bit longer for her. So that's what I am going to do. So for her hair, I told you I'm using the Love and Health edge control on the roots, but for the rest of the hair I am using the Affirm Moisture Right styling foam in order to twist it. But as I was doing her hair, I noticed as it was drying that it was poofing up a little bit bigger than I wanted it to. It was just swelling too much. So I did go back in, and you'll see it with the Dew Big Papa gel, and I just applied a little bit to each strand and twisted it just to give it a little bit more heaviness to her hair, so that the style will keep a little bit moisture and keep the twist in a little bit longer than it would have with just the mousse. So as you can see, like I said, I added the Dew Big Papa gel just to add a little weight to her hair. And then to the front, I just kind of did it at a slight angle, the cornrows going back. And then when I got to the ends of the cornrow, I did put a rubber band so that it would last and it wouldn't slip out. And then I applied some more mousse and twisted her hair. And I must say, I have to give props to braiders because the amount of patience you have to make sure that the parting is straight and all that. I just do not have the patience for it. That's why I do not like braiding at all. But since I have a whole bunch of girls, I have no choice but to do it for them. But yeah, I just like it. I did leave a little hair out for her because, you know, she's at that age where she wants baby hairs and she wants the swoops and all that. And I never learned how to do that. Um, so you're gonna hear her. She was cracking me up trying to get her edges right. Because you know that's part of the look. She had to have the edges.
Close his eyes.
Sit back.
Do you have an edge brush, or is there one at Deanna's desk?
Why?
Cause.
It's better right there.
Huh?
It's better right
Yeah,
there.
I just
Let me see.
These edges so we can see them.
Man, Deanna got this shit caked up.
Everyone has the edge brush like that. And then Shyla and Rieja were so surprised when cause I got my new edge brush or whatever. Cause girls be doing their edges all the time. I just don't be doing my edges. And they're like, your edge brush is so clean. I'm like, yeah, I just got it. Hey.
Is that good? Stop touching your hair, bro. So as you can see, I tried with the one side, and after that I kind of lost her because she was busy trying to get the other side right because, you know, I'm just not great at it. But I did apply some foam to her hair so that those cornrows could hold up well, and my little edge that I did there, my little edge curl that I did there, I wanted to hold that to hold up as well. So now for the night routine, I want to show you guys a bonnet that I got from Yanni Best, and I will link their website down below so you guys can get this if you're interested. They did send over this cute little bonnet. Side note, y'all, look how tall my daughter is. She's only 12 years old and she's like my height already, and I'm not short. I'm about 5'10". But this is the bonnet. It is a silk satin bonnet. It's nice purple lavender color. She was so excited to get it because even though I purchased a lot of bonnets for her, she always loses them. But anyway, I did use my Love and Health Growth and Anti-Itch Oil. You guys can get that from my site, which I'll link down below. And I also use some of my Love and Health Shine Spray before I put this bonnet on her. This is what it looks like. That's going to help with the moisture and giving it shine, giving it a good smell, keeping the hair soft. So this is the hair style. This is what it looked like. I just wanted to quickly show you guys before I put this bonnet on her hair. She quite enjoyed it. She kept it in for, I would say, about a week and a half, and then it started getting too fuzzy for her liking, but I'm proud of her because I'm surprised that she kept it in even that long. So this bonnet is, like I said, it's a satin bonnet. It does have the wide band around the front with the long band so that you can tie it. So I just put this on her and I wrapped it around the back and tied it. I like that it is extra long in the back. Like I said, I do braid her hair often just because it's summertime and she just likes to keep her hair away so that she can jump in the pool almost every day. So this bonnet will allow for her to put her braids in there at nighttime. So yes, I just put this bonnet on her. She did wear this bonnet for almost the whole 2 weeks. Well, I should say a week and a half that she had this style. She had it on most of the time. She just loves this bonnet. Surprisingly, she hasn't lost it because she really does like it. So she always has her eye on it. But yeah, it's pretty, it's nice, it's comfortable. She loved it. So if you guys are interested, you can get that. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment and like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.